K-4, Lesson 11, Phonics. Review vowel chart. Capital and lowercase e, picture flashcards. Review picture cards that we have learned in previous lessons. Handwriting. Teach letter U using manuscript, cursive formation cards. Seatwork, classwork. For next lesson. Bible, worksheet. Numbers, number concept chart and number concept flashcards. Hen and eggs games chart. Lesson 12, Phonics. Review letter picture, flashcards I and you. Handwriting. Teach letters U and I, using formation cards. Numbers. Review numbers concept chart, and concept cards 1-3. Introduce number for concept card. Seatwork, classwork. Activity time. Developmental skills, cutting sheet. All done. Lesson 13, Phonics. Review vowels chart and letter picture cards. Use old apple tree game chart for this lesson. Review all sounds. Handwriting. Teach lowercase e using manuscript, cursive formation cards. Worksheet. For next lesson. Numbers. Reviewing same charts from previous lesson. These charts are in the drawer from a previous lesson. Child will be counting objects. Putting number cards in order. Identifying numbers. Activity time. Developmental skills. Trace child, hand, draw face and color activity. Art. Buckle my shoe activity. All done with this lesson. Lesson 1-4, Phonics. Review vowel chart and letter picture cards. These charts are in the drawer from previous lesson. Beside the C chart is in previous lesson. Write some things on the board for this lesson. This is the beside the C game chart we will use, and the worksheet we will do. Handwriting. Review formation card I. Review lowercase e. Classwork. For next lesson. Numbers. Write, draw some things on the board for this lesson. Place the number concept cards on the table, out of order, and if child place them in order. You can do other activities using these cards. Activity time. Child will trace the circles and color. Lesson 15, Phonics. Review all the letter picture cards we have seen all week. Use the old apple tree game for this activity. Use the going up game for this activity. Handwriting, some board work. Classwork is in the drawer from previous lesson. Numbers. Draw groups of 1 to 4 on the board. Review counting 1 to 10 using the numbers concept chart. Review recognition of numbers 1 to 4. Things we use for tracing. Using these manuscript, alphabet flashcards. They are laminated, easy to trace with a dry erase marker. With this house visual it show tall, small and tail letters. I printed the sheet with his name for tracing.